Alright guys, today I'm going to be dealing with, sorry about the pause, making sure that you could see what's going on. Today we're going to be dealing with a laying worker. I sold these 3 queens on 6-4. It is 7-4 currently. Just now getting back around to checking them. This colony's queen right. The colony that the camera's sitting on is queen right. One in the dead center has laying workers. I'll show you the frames in a minute. I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix this problem with a queen right colony. Got another box. This is a feeder shim that I use, but I also use it to combine. Pheromone will pass through the 1/8 inch hardware. Hey, there's a hive beetle. No more. But they will pass, the pheromone will pass through and retard the laying workers. Come back in about a week and a half, take this off, merge the 2 colonies together. As you can see, there's bees down below. But just simple, you set that on there. Yes, I am wearing a veil because this colony is not the nicest colony in the world because it's laying workers. All I'm going to do is take frames out of this one, transfer them to this box, do away with this hive, slide this one over a little bit so the foragers will come back, figure out that they're in a queen right colony. Some people shake them out. That doesn't really work unless you shake them out a good ways away. Then I'm going to have to go find a frame because this is a 6 frame box, this is a 5 frame box. And when you know it, they're not aggressive now. There's your first clue. Got a bunch of what I call 22 shells in worker brood. 22 shells on the other side. Another good reason I don't want this flourishing, because population will decrease. If there's any small hive beetles in it, they will love this frame. This frame is nothing but pollen. But anyway, speaking of small hive beetles, frames do get worse as we go. Well, this one's not too bad. On that side it is. I spent 5 minutes going through here just making sure that we just didn't have a queen that didn't make it out, had deformed wing. There's a video about that. Had a queen with deformed wings. Just look at it real quick as I go again. There you go, more drone and worker brood. They do think they can produce another queen, because there is a larva in that. Hear how that roar? See that? And again, same thing. Small hive beetle, go ahead and take care of that. A couple of small hive beetles, I don't like that. Of course, when a colony's not queen right, they give up taking care of business. Taking care of business to me is taking care of small hive beetles. None on that side. Like I said, I'll have to go find another frame. Not going to bore you with all the rest of it, but just slide this one over halfway in between both of them. That's it. Come back in a week, pull that. Queen's pheromone will be up there. The laying workers will have retarded back to being workers, not laying workers, and voila. Didn't waste frames. You can go through and scrape the cappings off of all those drone brood. They'll take care of the bottom. Once it gets queen right, they'll take care of that problem. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Have a great day.